1. Choose a profitable niche. Focus on a niche that has a high demand and limited competition to ensure maximum profit potential. 2. Build a strong online presence. Create a professional website or blog to showcase your affiliate products and attract target audience. 3. Select high-converting affiliate programs. Research and join reputable affiliate programs with attractive commission rates and great product offerings. 4. Create valuable content. Produce high-quality, engaging content related to your niche and incorporate affiliate links organically. 5. Utilize email marketing. Build an email list and send targeted newsletters that promote your affiliate products to interested subscribers. 6. Leverage social media. Engage with your audience on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to promote your affiliate products and drive traffic to your website. 7. Use search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your website and content to rank higher on search engine result pages, increasing visibility and earning potential. 8 great ways to make money in affiliate marketing.